Hey internet, another lovely Saturday morning. Haven't done much this week at all, been really busy at work, so apologies for that. I know the amount of videos have gone down a bit of late. I've had some family issues to deal with, so my attention has been elsewhere. But one of the other things that's causing a bit of a delay is waiting for parts for the Z. I managed to find a headlamp with a headlamp bowl on eBay, and I've purchased that, but the guy's away, so it did say, expect a delay in delivering it. But I can't really start connecting the wiring back up because, as you know, all of the connectors, or the bulk of the connectors, connect inside the back of the headlamp bucket or bowl, and like I say, I just haven't got that, so I haven't really done anything at all. So I'm going to do a little bit today. I haven't got the chain and sprocket set yet, unfortunately, so I think I'm going to do a bit of refurb work on the back wheel, get that ready, and there's some other bits and pieces I can do on the engine. I've got the plastics outside ready for cleaning. I'm going to get that done. I've also decided that I'm off I've got another week at work and then I'm off for a week, which I'm really looking forward to. I'm really ready for a break, and I've decided I'm going to get the 600 through the MOT. So I've sorted the number plate light out. The indicators are working, but they're a bit crap, so I've just ordered a cheap set of universal ones, which should come tomorrow from Amazon. They're not going to be staying on the bike, and the bike isn't going to be staying like this. I just I need something to be able to go out and have a bit of fun on, and it's a toss-up between either retaxing the Transalp or doing the 600, and I think the 600's won out, so I'll get that in for an MOT when I'm off, and we'll see how we get on with that. I've changed the brake fluid in the front because the front brake's really spongy, but the calipers aren't seized. You can see the pads moving, so that's all good. Chain and sprockets on the 600 look good condition as well, so we'll go with that. Put a new side lamp bulb in the front and sorted the problem out with the dodgy connections, so it's pretty much ready really. It's got good tyres on it, but I will swap those. I will swap the indicators tomorrow because these are absolutely awful, and they're only cheap. And it's like I say, the ones I've ordered off Amazon are pretty cheap universal ones, but at least they're new, so they should be nice and bright and get me through the MOT. But of course we will be putting original ones on. I just haven't been able to find a full set. You can get them non-genuine, and they do sell them on eBay, but a lot of the ones that they sell on eBay, the front ones, they have a small cover, boot, and the non-genuine ones that you can get off eBay don't come with that boot, so you can see that it's the indicator, and then there's the two pegs which would slide down inside that fitting, but I haven't got those fittings, so I need them as well. There's some on being sold from Germany. I saw one, I think, this week, and maybe I should have bought that, but the postage for some reason from Germany is as much as the actual item a lot of the time, so it just sticks in your throat a bit. But yeah, so I do have to do that. But yeah, I know I've got to focus on the 550. It's not that I'm despondent with it or anything like that, but I'm just short of parts, so I can't just order everything at once. So yeah, we'll crack on with the Z today. We'll get as much as we can get done without the parts that we need, and yeah, let's see how far we go. Okay, thanks for sticking with me. Thank you. So, slowly coming on. The chap I bought it off did say it got good tyres on it, but the and you know, there's certainly a lot of tread on this one, but it does keep going down like really quickly overnight. I'm not sure. I haven't been able to see anything in the actual tyre itself. No nails. No obvious signs of a big puncture. So I think what I'll do is I should pop down and see those delightful people at TT Motorcycles just outside Turnhill and see if they can save it. I guess I'll have to get it off and see, or pressure test it, or I don't know. Can you put a? It says it's a tubeless tyre, but can you put a tube in them afterwards? You know. Brake surfaces look all right. Quite a good lot of material left on them. No oil contamination, so that's good. I think the wheel just needs a good clean. Really, it looks in good condition. The alloy on the edges just needs buffing up, polishing up. Like I say, I'm going to be replacing the sprocket anyway, so I don't think I'm actually going to do anything with it until I've got the tyre sorted. It's probably the best thing to do, and then I'm not going to be, you know, too critical about any marks or anything on the paint once I've done it. You know, if the tyre company were to do that, I'm sure they wouldn't. TT Motorcycles are great. I've taken the wheel down there off the RD and they did it while I waited. They were really helpful. Anyway, so yeah, as you can see, the bike's coming on. It's a bit slower than, you know, I wanted, but it's like I say, I've had some family stuff I needed to deal with the last couple of weeks, so which has been quite tough. So yeah, my attention has been elsewhere. Anyway, that's hopefully all right now. It was an illness in the family, so hopefully that's all right now. And as I say, I'm at work this week, but then I'm off for a whole week, so I'm going to get some really good catch-up time on the bike. Hopefully I've not disappointed you too much, but it's like I say, you know, you've got to be priorities sometimes, haven't you? Anyway, that aside, the wiring harness is loosely placed back on the bike. I've started to get some bits and bobs back on there. It's really just a case of getting it all back together. I know I've got to get the front wheel back off again because it needs a new tyre, and obviously I need to clean the wheel up properly. I'm not just going to leave it like that. I might take it down at the same time as I take the back one down, really. Then they could just get them done at the same time, can't they? But you know, I'll look to try and get that done the week that I'm off, so it'll be the week after next. I can't see my point in breaking my back. I'll have another full week of work this week, so looking forward to getting the 600 done. I've ordered some, as I say, I've ordered some just a cheap set of universal indicators for it, so I'll get them popped on tomorrow just because I want to. And you know, tyre pressures are done. I've had it running up this afternoon. It sounds great. The more it runs, the better it gets. It's got a load of Red X in the tank, so that's probably making it splutter a little bit. But I'll get some insurance on it, and we'll get it out and fill it up when I get down to take it for the MOT. And hopefully it'll go through. Fork seals are usually a common issue with these, and they're dry as you like, so that's good. Brakes are all good. As I say, I've bled the front brakes through, all good there. Back brake seems fine. It's got good tyres on it. Don't really know what else it might fail on. You know, the wheel bearings, there's no movement in them, no play on them at all, no play in the front head bearings. So yeah, it should go through. It should pass okay, as long as I don't break down before I get there. But it's only 5 miles to the MOT station, so I don't think I will, hopefully. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting out and having a really good black round on that. you know, blow some cobwebs out. Yeah, so Z550, yeah, a bit slow, but it's coming. And like I say, we'll catch up on the week that I'm off. So please do stick with me. Our subscribers are going up. I think I haven't checked today, but we were really close to 900 yesterday. So yeah, you know, we should do 1,000 quite soon. Videos are getting good views, all good. Please drop me some comments if you've got anything you want to say, any tips, guidance, anything that I should be doing, anything that looks particularly wrong on the Z550 that is going to let it down big time. And one of the comments I had the other week was about what am I going to do about the rear drum brake. I'm not going to do anything about it. I know that the GPZ D1 had a single rear disc on the back, but at this stage, you know, I'm not. It's like I say, it's a homage to the D1. I know I keep repeating that, but it's not a D1. But it would be as close as for me, I'm sure. If a D1 comes up, I'll buy it, if it's the right sort of money. I'd love to find a rough one that I could do properly, and yeah, it would be good. But this is going to be really nice. The paintwork looks great. You know, it's going to be a super bike when it's finished. So yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, click the bell icon so you get notifications when I upload new content. Give me a thumbs up if you're liking the videos, and like I say, drop any comments in the section below. I'll see you again in the next couple of days. I might do a video tomorrow on the 600 just to mix it up a bit, but yeah, because I want to get that ready for the MOT, and I'll be taking the camera on my helmet when I take it down for the MOT, so we'll see how it runs for a good few miles, eh? But yeah, that's it for today. Thanks very much for sticking with me, internet. I'll see you really soon. Thank you. Bye.